Hello, hello everyone. Actually, I have a student in grade 9 who is performing good in all subjects. So she is good in economics, history, and business studies. Then we yesterday, day before yesterday, we were preparing for annual day, and she was performing an act. So she performed a very good act. I was not aware that she is going to theater and drama and she is performing. Then I asked her that what makes you like doing great in all this subject. Then she said that she liked the theater and drama. So now I realize after this session, the way that ma'am started and the way in between we did the activity, that it really makes a difference when you practically use drama and this form of activity at the time of teaching, because this is not what I feel that I have seen in the student. The student has grown up with the mastery in all the subject because of that, because she can connect with all the aspect and she is very much influenced by the acting and doing an act and drama. She can memorize everything. So that is what I have felt in amongst the students who are really taking that, and that credibility should go to the teachers, those who are the drama teachers, those who are doing that. So I really appreciate, and I come to know, because I was not aware that it makes so much of difference. But today, because I came to know, oh, that's the reason that why some students are good. Thank you very much.